What's going on, guys? It has definitely been a little while since I uploaded my last YouTube video. Not gonna lie, I've been a little bit demotivated lately. First off, I got sick. Then I got a umbilical hernia, and I'll get more into that. And then I went up to New York to visit family. And while I was up there, I kind of turned this shred that I'm doing into more of a bulk. So yeah, it wasn't on my diet, wasn't on my game. But you know, just got to get back on the grind. You know, things happen, whatever. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing, you know, what is a hernia, how I got it, what I'm going to be doing at the gym, if I'm going to get surgery and all that stuff. And at the end, I'm going to be doing a physique update, just to kind of see where I'm at compared to my last physique update in my last video. So let's get into it. So if you guys don't know what a hernia is, basically it's a tear in the fascia tissue. So there's your skin, your fat, your abs, your abdominal muscles, and then there's your fascia tissue. So it's gonna be a tear somewhere in your stomach, and some of the fascia tissue is weaker than others, and the fascia tissue around your belly button, around your umbilical cord when you were a baby getting your nutrients from your mother, that's going to be weaker. So it's very common for powerlifters, bodybuilders, lifters, any athletes to tear that fascia tissue around your umbilical cord, and some of your insides are going to be poking through that, either your visceral fat, which is the harder fat, or your intestines. So that's pretty much what's going on right now. So I think my hernia has gotten a little bit bigger over the past few weeks. Whenever I'm lifting or anything like that, I just push it back in. There's no pain, nothing like that. I just relax my abs, push the hernia back in, whatever the substance is that's coming out of my insides. But I was in New York and I was lifting with a buddy of mine, and I was telling him about the hernia, and he's like, "Oh man, that sucks, blah, blah, blah." And then he felt mine, and then I felt his, and his was about the same size as mine, and he's like, "Yeah, I've had it for like a year or two. I don't even know what the hell it was." So basically reality hit me, and I was like, maybe I'm just over exaggerating this whole thing. He's been fine for a year, 2 years, so I'm just gonna kind of wait it out a little bit. I know it is a hernia. I haven't seen a doctor or anything like that, so gonna eventually see one here soon. And yeah, probably after summer, that's what I'm gonna plan on, if I do have surgery on it, just to make sure it doesn't get, you know, huge or whatever. I'm thinking around like Thanksgiving time, so that way I can still do my thing throughout summer and get in great shape. And then, you know, if I'm gonna be sitting out for a few weeks, I want it to be in winter. Now, how I got the hernia, I honestly don't know. The only pain that I've ever had around my belly button was about a year ago. I was doing a photo shoot in LA, and it was a long photo shoot, probably like 6 to 8 hours long. I'm just constantly flexing my abs, and for some reason, after the shoot, like if you were to even touch my belly button, I would just cringe, and like it was super bad pain. So that's really the only pain I've had around my belly button region. And but when I did discover it, this was about a month ago now, I just got done with like an amazing leg workout, just killed it in legs, and then when I got home, I felt it, and I was like, oh damn, you know what I mean? I kind of had an idea what it was. It just felt like a pea-sized bump right above my belly button, and I was thinking it was probably a hernia. And yeah, it was. So yeah, guys, just want to make this video if anyone's going through an umbilical hernia and lifting and all that. It doesn't hurt or anything. I just push it back in, like I said. So no pain, no anything like that. I'm still going hard, still gonna get in my best shape and making some moves this summer. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a physique update, and it's, you know, as much as it's for YouTube, it's for me as well, just to see, you know, where I'm at and compare it to my last physique update. So here it is. Alright, so don't think you can see the hernia at all. It's not pushed out or anything like that. I don't know with the lighting either if you can see it, but do a little physique update, sitting right around 203 pounds. Still been lifting pretty good, just nutrition has not been on point, and that of course is gonna hinder gym performance. So yeah, sitting right around 203 pounds. Probably gonna look my best around like 195, something like that. But you gotta do a slow cut, because if you do a fast cut and try to shred all the weight, you're gonna be shredding muscle as well. So slower is always better as far as cutting. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave some comments down below. I personally don't like making videos like this. I like to, you know, do fitness informative videos. but I figured it was definitely necessary, you know, especially if anyone's going through an umbilical hernia, to make this video. And I just filmed a awesome chest video. That's gonna be a chest workout. That's gonna be coming out here soon. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time.
I'm moving along a bit higher. I'll be up a bit